But above all that, it has to be quick. Really quick.
You were wondering how long it would take me to get to the Escort Cosworth. Well, we're there at last, but only to demonstrate what I mean by quick. Sit back now and watch the Cosy get a pasting. The Lotus gets to the quarter of a mile post 1.7 seconds faster, which puts it in the Premier League. A league for cars that can get from 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds.
So, what we have here are 6 of the most blood-curdling cars in the world. And a 2-mile runway. I feel a race coming on. What we're going to do is blast them down the track for a mile to find the fastest production car in the world. And before you all start saying, oh, what about the X or the Y or the Z, I should explain. We have no McLaren F1 or Jaguar XJ220 or Ferrari F50 because they're limited run ultra cars. We've no Ferrari 512 because when Ferrari heard about the competition, they refused to play ball. And we've no Lamborghini Diablo because I've already raced one against Advantage and it lost. So, time to answer the burning question. Fingers in your ears, which is the fastest production car in the world?
We decided to opt for a drag strip style race to take driving skill out of the equation as much as possible. This would be a battle of horsepower and, as the speed builds up, of aerodynamics. So, what would win? Clever Money said the Caterham would take an early lead, but in the mid-ranges where ballsy power was needed, the Vantage would come good. On sound alone, the big Aston had already won. But the Clever Money was all wrong. Despite the Caterham's lightweight, its tiny engine was no match for this lot. The Porsche surged ahead, but whoa, look at that TVR! The Vantage 2 was struggling, being left miles behind the Blackpool Rocket. 2,300 horsepower here, tearing up the Leicestershire countryside, and at half distance it's still TVR, Porsche, just ahead of the Lotus. Is the TVR going to do it? Can it really do a standing mile in less than 30 seconds? Close! Too close! A bit like the race, really.